And the wrap. Monte Napoleone draws for your lead. No Guts, No Glory moving up by the rail. Chekong's best to take the lead. Charming Liar racing in fourth. Down in fifth is Keyboy. Then running on the outside, Think Tank, Beyond Good, seeing Lord K. Moving up in between runners. Second last, Divine Wisdom and Dola Juwon as they rounded the last 600. Chekong's best in command by 3/4 of a length lead. Pressing up in between runners, No Guts, No Glory, Charming Liar is sorry outside as they turn to the final 450. Three runners are now fighting out for the lead. Chekong's best running by around. No Guts, No Glory moving up on the outside. Think Tank down on the inside and Charming Liar on the outside. We have No Guts, No Glory, Charming Liar, Chekong's best by the rail. Charming Liar moving up on the outside. Number 5, No Guts, No Glory. Then comes Chekong's best. Think Tank, Olajuwon for your Pentapecta. Then comes Divine Wisdom, seeing Lord Kiki Boy, Beyond Good, and